Hello students, you are all welcome to this channel. Today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful gown. This is a very simple style. It's a bubu with an elastic in the front. So let's go ahead with the tutorial. So here we have our fabric. This is a crepe fabric. This is actually a bill, a soft fabric crepe. I folded my fabric into 4. You can use 2 to 3 yards, it depends on your size. So now we'll take our measurement, our length, the length of our gown. You take our length, so you use your length, the length you need, and then you go ahead and chalk your shoulder measurement divided by 2 plus half an inch for sewing allowance, and then you chalk your neck width. So here I'm chalking the back neck. I use 2 for the back depth, the depth of the neck. I use 2 inches by 3.5. Now I'm going to chalk the front neck. As you can see in the beginning, it's a V neck, so we took in 7 inches for our front depth, the neck depth for the front. So you slant it, so have your V. You can make it go down if you want, but 7 inches is okay for me. So here we go and slant. We slant our shoulder. You go down by 1 inch. 1 inch is okay, or 1.5, and then you slant it down like this. I hope you can see very well. Just follow what I'm doing. It's a very easy style. So here we slanted our shoulder. So at the down, this we don't need so many measurements. It's a free something. At the down, I want it to be just a little bit of pencil. So I went in by 14 inches at the down, and then I just took it to the up a bit, just for it to have a big pencil shape at the down. If your fabric is bigger than this, you can get the pencil shape very well, but here this is all the fabric I have, so I'm going to cut it out now. That's about it. That's it. So first we cut out our shoulder slope. And then we cut out our neck first. This one you don't need to do your armhole or anything. You don't need your armhole, no need. You just need your shoulder slanting and then your neck. That's it. So here I'm going to divide it into 2, so I can bring out, separate it from my back. So we are going to slant it down. And then we cut it down from here. This is a very simple style. You can make this with Ankara or any fabric of your choice. You can make this with any fabric of your choice. So we slant it downward. So now we have our front and our back. So we'll take out the back. So now we have our front. I'm going to cut out our front neckline. The V shape, we are going to cut it down. So that's it. That's where we are going to shoulder back up. So here I want mine to have a belt that can hold my waist. As you can see in the previous picture, it snatches on the waist. So on the front fabric, we are going to go down to your under bust. Just under bust, use your under bust length. So mine is 14.5. My under bust is 14.5. So you go down, you chuck it there, and then you go in by 6 inches, measure 6 inches on that place you chucked your underbust, and then you go in by 6 inches. That's where you are going to sew your belt, that belt that will snatch it. You can go without this, but I want mine to have a snatched waist. So you chuck it at the back, yeah. So that's where you're going to put your belt, your rope. You can use the pieces of your fabric, or you can use a bias. So now I'm going to pipe the neck and join my shoulder. Now let's go to the machine now. So here I'm joining my shoulder. We're joining our shoulder now. Join it, go in, just use half an inch to join it, stitch your shoulder. Then we are joining the other shoulder, just use half an inch, just half an inch. See mates, you can do this gown in a day. It's a very simple style. I had to continue mine the next day because of my kids, but you can make this in a day. It's just a simple style. So we've joined our shoulder. Now we are going to pipe our neckline with bias. Yeah, here's our other shoulder. Here's our other shoulder now. If you've watched this far, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section, and kindly share to your friends so they can learn. Okay, thank you so much. If this is your first time on this channel, we share very simple style. This is a beginner friendly. Okay, so now we are still on the front pattern. We are piping the down, and as you can see, I chalked down where my elastic will be. So as I was piping the down part, I put my elastic there. Yeah, so after that I'll just sew my elastic. Just be following it. Just sorry the camera was not showing, but as I was piping the down part of the front, I put my elastic here because the elastic is in the front. So I sewed in my elastic. So later on I'm going to sew the down, join it. Okay, here I was supposed to pipe our neckline with the bias. So here is it. You start from the good part, join it on the good part first, and then you turn it into the wrong side. Join it. I hope you know how to join your bias, pipe your neckline with your bias. It's very simple. Just join it from the wrong side, from the good side first, and then you turn it into the wrong side. Okay? elastic on it, you just stretch it out. As you are sewing, you just be pulling it, pulling your elastic, and then sew straight downwards. You chuck it down. Make sure you chuck it down first so you see get a straight sewing at the end. Okay, chuck it down as I did, and just be pulling. You just be pulling it up and be going. Okay, this place you need to take your time because the elastic was really, and then as you are doing, you'll be adjusting your fabric. Be pulling, and then adjust your fabric. Don't pull it too much though. Okay, just a little bit, and there you go. So this is our the back of our fabric, the back pattern. We are piping the down pattern, the hemming it. Okay, just hem it slowly. This is a very soft fabric, so you need to be adjusting it. Okay, we are hemming our back pattern now, so we can go ahead and join it together. We are almost done now. Just join it to the back. You can add pocket to this. You can also add a pocket. I didn't add a pocket to mine, but if you don't know how to fix a pocket, kindly leave it in the comment section and I'll help you with that. Okay, so here I'm joining the sides now. Another side. Before you get to your, I'm sewing it from the down, so I'm going to measure 10 inches from my shoulder downwards. That's where our sleeve will be. That's where our hand will come out from. So see me here, I measured 10 inches. That's where our hand will come up from. So that's where you are going to sew up to. Okay, you're not going to sew all the way through. You're going to sew to that place I chopped, the 10 inches. 10 inches is okay for your sleeve. So that's where your hand will come out from. And then when you get there, you are going to sew it in. When you get to that 10 inches, you're going to pipe it in. So here I'm sewing it in with, I use about 1 inch by the side. You can use half an inch. So here we left here, yeah. So this will be where our hand will come out from. So I'm going to hold it separately and then pipe it in. I hope you are understanding this part. You just need to pipe it in, just small. I mean, the stitching here is very small bar, so make it tight, okay, so it doesn't come loose. So here, that's it. I hope you understand it. If you've watched till this point, kindly leave a smiley emoji in the comment section if you've watched till this part. Thank you so much for watching till this part. I hope you understood it. So we are going to do the same to the other side. Here too, I'm going to measure 10 inches from the down, from my shoulder. That's where we are going to sew up to, and then we are going to sew it in. are going to join putting our belt. Here I'm using my bias because I did not have enough pieces left, so I'm going to use my bias. I measured about 25 inch is, so we are going to use 2 of them for both sides. 25 inches, you can make it bigger, it depends, but 25 inches is okay. So on those places we chalked, on that under bust line, we are just going to sew in the belt on only the front pattern. You need to be careful so you don't sew it, join both the back and the front. Make sure you are sewing it on only the back, only the front, sorry, only the front. You are sewing it inside on the wrong side of the front pattern. Yeah, so you do it on the other side and you are good to go. Your gown is ready, guys. This is a very simple gown. If you are into ready to wear or something, this is a nice style. You can add a pocket. So here we have it. Here is our gown. Isn't it so beautiful? Thanks for watching. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly like and subscribe to this page to encourage us make more videos like this. If you have any requests, kindly leave it in the comment section. Thanks for watching and see you on my next tutorial. Bye.